Hello, my name is Thea and I'm a training specialist at Tom Pitt. In today's video, I'm going to talk about production order attachments. The goal of this lesson is to learn what is production order attachment, how to add an attachment to a production order in the Tom Pitt system, and the importance of having the option of attachments on production orders. The attachment feature within the production order module allows users to include images, technical drawings, instructions, and important certificates related to the production process, providing documentation that supports quality control and traceability. The ability to attach visual and documentary evidence directly to the production order ensures that all relevant information is kept in one place. Attaching images of the production stages or components helps in maintaining a visual record of the assembly process. This is particularly useful for quality assurance purposes, enabling quick identification of any defects. All attached images and certificates can be accessed digitally from anywhere at any time. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for remote teams or multi-location operations, as it allows for seamless access to critical information without the need for physical documents. Keeping all necessary certificates attached to production orders also helps in maintaining compliance with industry regulations and standards, ensuring that your operations meet the required legal and quality benchmarks. For example, imagine working in a furniture company. As a part of the production process, you create a production order and use the attachment feature to add photos of the different stages of the assembly, including the initial cutting of the wood, the sanding process, and the final assembly. Additionally, you attach technical drawings and assembly instructions provided by the design team, as well as certificates verifying the quality of the hardware used in the assembly process. This not only helps in identifying the source of the issue, but also ensures that the company maintains a complete digital trail of the production process, supporting quality assurance and traceability from the initial stages to the final product. Now let's see how this works in Tom Pitt. First, navigate to a production order. I'm going to open an already existing one, selecting Production and the production orders icon. Select a production order in pending, active, or closed state to add an attachment to it. This is useful in cases you receive additional documentation or certificates about the production process and can add them to the document later on. Under the Attachments tab, click on the paperclip icon or drag and drop the PDF file or picture to the marked area. I want to attach a quality certificate, so I will choose it from my system and select Open. I also want to add a picture of the material, so for example, by dragging it, I can simply add it to the document. Drag the image or document to the attachments area where a white field will occur, showing you where to drop the attachment. You can add, view, edit, or delete the attachment at any time. To view it, simply hover over the attachment and select the eye icon. To download it, select the downwards arrow icon, and to delete it, select the X icon. The attachments are automatically saved once you add them, so no need for additional saving of the document. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on production order attachments. Let's summarize what you learned in this video. You know now what a production order attachment is, you know how to add an attachment to a production order in Tom Pitt, and you know the importance of having the option of attachments on a production order. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next lesson.